Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you what software to install on your new laptop. In case you just acquired a new PC or system and you are wondering what applications to download first, don't worry, I'm going to show you right here. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to do that. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So the first application to install on your newly acquired PC is your Google Chrome. So I have a video already on this channel on how to download Google Chrome on your PC, but meanwhile I'm still going to show you, but if you need more details you can check the video right here. So to download Chrome on your PC, you're going to go over to chrome.com. And then when the site is open, you're just going to hit on this Chrome download button right here, and then your download is going to kick off. So that's how to get Chrome on your PC. Now the second application you should get is the one that will protect your PC from virus. So I'm going to recommend Malwarebytes. So Malwarebytes is a very strong application for removing viruses on your system. It's a very nice antivirus. So to download it, you are going to go to this link right here, www.malwarebytes.com. So I'm going to hit on it right here. And then you're going to hit on this free download. As you can see, Malwarebytes has a free version and also it has a premium version. So you can go for the free version if you want to, or you can also go for the paid version if you want to. It's fine. So but the free version is okay. So that's that for the second application you should download on your system. So then now the last application to download is the CCleaner. CCleaner is a very nice software to optimize or tune up your PC. Another interesting part of it is that you do not have to pay for it to get it on your PC. You can download the free version on your PC and you'll be able to use it to clear junks and registries from your PC to boost your PC speed. I have a video right here. You can check it out on how to download CCleaner on your PC and how to use it to clear junks on your PC. So that's it for this video. Those are the three applications. Number one, we have Google Chrome, and number two, we have Malwarebytes antivirus to clear viruses from your PC, and the last one, CCleaner, to help optimize your PC and clear junks and registry. So these are the three applications you should get before using your PC to browse or downloading games or going to Facebook and other things. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also don't forget also to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.